So I am going to show you how to create an MT5 account on Bybit and how you can connect that MT5 account to your mobile phone on your MT5 and you can use it to trade. So you can use Bybit to trade Forex, you can use it to trade gold, and you can use it to trade crypto if you want. So I'm going to walk you through it. However, there's something that I need to warn you about. In order to create the MT5 account, you will need to log into the web terminal. So you can use your Google Chrome. If it is mobile that you are using, then use your Google Chrome on your mobile device, or you use the Google Chrome that is on your desktop or laptop. What I am doing now, I am on the website bybit.com. bybit.com. If you are a Nigerian, you may not have access to bybit.com if you are using Airtel. So if your only network is Airtel, you have to use a VPN to access it, but it's not good like that. You can use MTN. They give you access. So I am using MTN and I'm not using any VPN right now. So go to bybit.com. You can see it here, BYBIT.com. The link will be in the description as well. Meanwhile, if you want to join my free WhatsApp mentorship class, the link to the WhatsApp group is also in the description box. You can join and you will learn about Forex for free. In that same WhatsApp group, there are free trade signals that I also give. So if you are interested, you can join the free WhatsApp group. The link is in the description box. Let us go on. So if you have come to bybit.com, this is what you will see. You will go to your trade tab over here, or the trade menu. You can see it over here. And you will come and choose gold and FX. That means you want to trade gold and Forex. Gold and Forex, you can see it's on MT5 that you will be trading. Or you can go to the tools just beside the trade menu. So under the tools, you also see this gold and FX. Whichever one you click is still the same. So gold and Forex. FX means Forex. Click on it. So I'm going to click on it and wait for it to take you to the page where you will log in or you will create an MT5 account. So once you are here, sometimes you can see this MT5, create MT5. If you don't see, just click on register. So it will take you to a page where you need to register. If you have a Bybit account already, you don't need to do another registration. You simply log in on the browser, not the app. But if you don't have a Bybit account, click on the sign up page and sign up for it. You just need your email address and you give them a password. That is all for the registration. So for this, now I have an email already and I have registered with Bybit before. So I will just click login. Just for security reasons, to know that you're a human and not a robot. So for my own security, I turn on the two-factor authentication. So even if you have access to my email, you can't log into my account because I'm using two-factor authenticator. So you can see now, once you log in, it has given you the option to open MT5 account. And in the MT5 account, you can trade Forex, crypto, gold, or oil, US oil. So you can see all of them here. So I want to open the MT5 account. You don't click on this because you don't go clicking on gold and Forex copy trading. You are not copy trading. We want to open MT5 account. So I'm going to click on it. So You have to agree to their terms. Click on agree by clicking the button to proceed. You agree. Click on next. So to continue, you will need a master password. That is the password that you are going to use in order to log into your MT5 app. I am going to show you how to log into MT5 app after we are done. So you need that password. Don't forget this password. For every trading account that you are opening on MT5, you will need a password for it. So enter the password and you also enter it here to confirm the password. Once you have entered your password, click on create MT5 account. So congrats, you have successfully created an MT5 account. You can go to Google Play Store to download the MT5 if you don't have it. If you have it on your phone, you don't need to do any download again. Or if you are using iPhone, you can go to the Apple Store and download the MT5. But then, if you have it on your phone, you don't need to download anything again. This information you are seeing, the server name is Bybit Live. We are going to search for it. You will see it. Your account ID is given to you there on the screen, and your password is the one you use for creating the account. So this account ID is the same as the login that is required on MT5 when you are about to connect your account. So now we have created an MT5 account. We need to link this account right now to our MT5 on the mobile phone. So go to my dashboard. So now we are on the dashboard of our MT5 account. This is MT5 account. You are seeing it over here. We have it here. So it is in USDT. USDT. Now, if you are new to trading, USDT is the same as US dollar. It has the same value, but is a crypto. So any value that the US dollar is currently, the USDT will be the same as well. So like I said, if you are new, go to the WhatsApp group link is in the description. Click and join to learn about Forex. The mentorship class is for free. Before we proceed, we need to deposit money into our account, but we need to connect this account. Let me connect it to MT5 to show you that it is connected first. Then I can show you how to deposit into this MT5 account. Please note, you may have money on your Bybit account. That is completely different. Whatever money you have on Bybit, it is not in your MT5 account. So you need to transfer that money that is on Bybit to the MT5 account you have created right now on Bybit. Okay, so I'm going to show you that. So you can see options here for depositing. If you want to start trading live on your web terminal, like the way we are on the browser, you can click here to start, but I don't like trading here. I'm going to show you how I do my own. Let me head over right now to the mobile phone to show you how it works on mobile. So I'm going to connect this account to my mobile phone. Now remember that this number you are seeing is your login. This is your login number or your account number or your MT5 number or MT5 ID, whichever one. That is it. Click on that part. It will pop up these things for you. So let us go to our MT5 on mobile. We are on our mobile phone right now. What we need to do is to go to MT5. I have Metatrader 5 here, so I'm going to click on it. So this is Metatrader 5. This at the top left, you see some menu drop down here. Click on this and then you are going to click on manage accounts. Manage accounts. So you click on manage accounts. Then this plus sign that you are seeing is for adding accounts at the top right hand. Click on plus. Then you are going to search for your broker. So then remember, we have Bybit Live as our server. So let's just type Bybit and then search for it. So you can see it here. Is going to be Bybit, and you see it here. Infra Capital is the one that is offering them this service. So you see Infra Capital, under it Bybit. Click on it. Now you have login option. The login I told you is that number, your account ID that is given to you on Bybit when you create the MT5. So I'm going to include it 9885187, and then the password is the password that you used when you were creating the account. So you enter your password. When you are done, you go to the server is Bybit Live. So you choose Bybit Live and ensure that this save password option is ticked so that you won't have to be logging in every time you come. When you are done, click on login. So we are now connected to our Bybit account. You can see it over here. We are now connected to it. You can now trade on it if you want. You will know that we are connected by the name that you see, the login number. This is the amount that was in it. We have not deposited. This UST means US dollar theta. It's the same as US dollar that I told you guys about. So go to your code at the lower left here. You can add anything that you want to be adding. For now, I am doing this on a Saturday, so Forex is not open on weekends. Let's go to cryptos just to show you how to use it. Click on that plus sign that is here to add any of the pairs that you want. If in fact I can even add, let me add my favorite pair, GBPUSD. GBPUSD. So I have it over here. You can add them. EURUSD. You can add them. Let's see Bitcoin USD. See it over here. You add Ethereum USDT. You add. So you click the back button. So we have what we want. For the ones that we don't want, we can delete them. So let me specify this one that I want here first. So this is my favorite pair. After that, I will now click under the quotes. Now I will now click this pencil button, click the delete button. Any pair that I don't want, I am going to delete it. I don't want gold versus Australian dollar. I don't want euro and gold. I don't want all these ones that I am ticking. After you are done selecting, click the dustbin logo here, the delete to delete. So they have been deleted. If you want to rearrange them, you can click this button again, the pencil button. Click and drag the one that you want. So I'll click, drag it up to rearrange them for me. I'm okay with them like this. So this is it. We have logged in and we have selected what we want to trade on our MT5. But then let us go ahead and deposit money into our MT5 account. Let us go. The money there is 0 USDT. So for depositing money, you can use the app the way you usually deposit money. If you don't know, I'm going to show you how I am doing that right now. So go to your Bybit app. You can use the Bybit app, you can use the web terminal to deposit. There are different options. So even in my Bybit app, my Bybit account, my Bybit wallet, there is nothing in it, so I need to make deposit right now. The ones that I use is peer-to-peer. If you don't know how to buy on peer-to-peer, there's a video I've made on how to buy or sell. So if you are buying, you are making deposit into your account. If you are selling, it means you have money here, you want to sell it to take to your bank account. That is how to do. There's a video on it. It will pop up on your screen right now on how to do that. So I'm going to make deposit into my Bybit account now before transferring what is here to my MT5 trading account. You can use your bank cards if you have bank cards allowed in your country, whether it's Visa or your MasterCard. If you have it, you can choose this option. For me, I'm in Nigeria, that's why it's saying buy with Nigeria. So if you are in Ghana, it will say buy with Ghana cedis. You are in Australia, buy with Australian dollars. You see it, everything here. Or if you have crypto in another wallet or in another exchange, you can click this one to give you a wallet address that you will give them. So you will transfer those cryptos that are there. You withdraw your crypto on that exchange into this wallet. If you have money in your Xnest account, you can also transfer it to your USDT Xnest account, and from there you can give them this wallet address. When you click on this deposit crypto, when you click on it, you choose if it's USDT you want to deposit, the network if it's TRC20, and then you see it will give you this long number that you copy. That is what you will give that exchange when you are withdrawing, so that they will deposit money into this your Bybit account to reflect here, not to directly reflect on MT5. It will reflect here first before we transfer it to MT5 account. So I am going to choose the peer-to-peer option. So I want to buy it. So this option of buy, I want to buy crypto from somebody, so I'm using Naira to buy crypto from someone. If you wanted selling, you click on the sell option. That means you have crypto in your account, but then I want to buy. So I have told you guys there's a video on that. I won't be showing people's details here. So I have made a deposit now using peer-to-peer like I showed you. I have $11 now in my wallet. This is my Bybit wallet, the general wallet. So what I want to do now is to transfer this money that is here into my MT5 account. So you go over to your assets at the right lower hand here, click on assets. You can see now you have MT5 account here under. So you have money in your funding account. I am transferring it now to my MT5. So click on the MT5. You see this is what is reflecting in our MT5 app. So I'm going to click transfer in. I'm transferring money into this MT5. Click on it. So from where USDT, this is what is, so it's USDT coin that you use in MT5 of Bybit. Enter the amount. They said there is no minimum deposit. So let me use $1 to see if it reflects there. So I'm going to use $1 to see if it will reflect. Click confirm. So they say transfer in progress. Let's refresh and see. The time is 1 p.m. exactly. So let me see how long it will take to reflect in the account. So in less than 1 minute, money has reflected in our account. It's in seconds. It's still 1 p.m. and it has reflected. This is the Bybit MT5 account now. Let me go to the MT5 Metatrader 5 app to see if it has reflected there as well. So this is the Metatrader 5. You can see is the $1 that is there. Now they said there's a leverage of 1 to 500, which means for every $1 that you bring, they will multiply it 500 times for you. So it means with this $1 now, I can open a trade that can hold up to 500 US dollars with just this $1. So let me go over and see. what coins are available. I can't risk $1 on USDT that is 3,000 or Bitcoin that is 100,000. So let me go over. Let me go over and add another pair. Let's say we are buying XRP. This is it. Let me add another code. Click this plus. Add Solana USDT. I want to add Cardano. So there's Cardano. Click the back button to go back to your codes. So we have added all these ones. Why I'm doing that is I can't use $1. Even if you are allowed to, don't use it. You are using $1 to buy Bitcoin that is over 100,000 plus. That it doesn't make sense. That's why I'm saying if you don't know how to trade, click the WhatsApp group link over there in the description and learn. Is a free mentorship. You will learn how to do these things. Don't just rush when you don't know what you are doing. So I'm going to go with Cardano, which is 0 point. It's more reasonable for me to trade Cardano or XRP if I'm using $1 than to go trading something that is more. Your leverage it increases your risk. That you have that access to the money, they can multiply it for you up to 500 times. Does not mean you should use it. So I am going to go to Cardano, click and hold this Cardano. You see chart, go to chart. This is it. I'm going to click on this instant button. There's a trick I do to know how much I'm risking before I do that. So let me see how much I'll be risking. If price reaches just this point here now, it means I'm losing this $1, even with the minimum lot. This is what it tells. If it reaches this point where this thing that I'm dragging is, you can see how much I'm risking with this. Just this, I've not entered this. So if price goes against me, so let me enter now. Let me buy. I'm accepting the terms of that one click button. Click buy. So I've entered with the minimum lot. No need of putting stop loss in this one, guys. No need, because it's just $1 we are risking. And if we will put stop loss where, because the stop loss point is even here. It's even here. So this is how you can see it. I've started trading on it. Immediately I entered, they have deducted 0.05. That is their commission, $0.05 with the minimum lot that I entered. So for me to recover my money, I must make that 0.05 as profit first to cover up for that commission, then add something extra on it before you will talk of any extra profit. Now there is also a stop out level. The stop out level for MT5 of Bybit is 50%, which means if you enter a trade and you keep having losses, that the money that will be remaining in your account is 50%. They will close the trade. I have $1 before entering this trade. If I enter the trade and the money falls to $0.5, they will close it. If you have $100 and you enter a trade and then you keep having losses, that it has now eaten $50 and is remaining half of it of what you previously started with, which is $50, they will close it. If you have $10 and you enter a trade and then it falls to $5, they will close it. That is what stop out level means. So you should note that, because sometimes if you enter a high lot now, it may affect how you trade and it can give you some losses, and you see that you were willing to even lose the whole amount, yet they will close you out. So know how to adjust your lot size so that they won't stop you out at 50%. Take note of that. Their spread is 1.6. So even from this, let me use 1 minute to widen it for me. The spread of MT5 for GBPUSD is not that, it's the same as, almost the same as what is obtainable on most brokers. It's not that significant for me to overhype it. most brokers, they have something similar like that. You see maybe 2 pips. So what's the difference between 1.6 pips and 2 pips for GBPUSD? This is their spread on 1 minute, on 15 minutes. It's not overly thin like that. In fact, even Xness may give you something better on Pro account. So you have seen how their spread is. So now, if you want to withdraw, how can you withdraw from this account? You need to transfer money out. So you go back to your Bybit app. When you are in your Bybit app, go to assets here, and you can see the MT5. Click on it. So you transfer money out. You click on transfer out, and so you specify from your MT5 to your funding account. So you specify the whatever amount of money you want to, and you click on confirm, and it will transfer it out for you, and it will be available for you here. So if you want to sell it using peer-to-peer, or to take it back to your bank, depending on how you want, or withdraw to another place, you do it like that. If you have any other question, let me know in the comment section. And remember, if you don't know how to trade, I have a free WhatsApp mentorship group that you can join. The link to the WhatsApp group is in the description box. Do have a nice day. Bye.